Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again. This is on-chain mode, and in this video I'll be showing you how to complete your KYC and complete your verification right here on the IQ option trading app. So the first thing you have to do quickly is to ensure that you are using the correct version of this IQ by going to Play Store and downloading it direct. And also you can go to Apple Store and download it is also available. Do not download this from any external website, but you can go to Play Store and download it, or you can as well use the link, their official site. I'll be dropping it at the video description. Go and use it and download the app. And as soon as you download the app, in order for you to complete your KYC and verification, is very simple. Now, completing your KYC or verification implies that you can now start trading the real market. Okay, in case you want to start trading directly and earning from the platform, then you have to complete every KYC. And to complete your KYC, you need to have either your voter's card, your government issued ID card. Keep them handy before continuing this process that I'll be showing you in this video, guys. Okay, now as soon as you open the app, just head over to this particular section right here. You see these three dots sign there. You click on it. Okay, and after clicking on it, it's gonna take you right here to this particular section. All right, now just go ahead and click on this account verification. As soon as you click on this account verification, then you are going to start the verification process. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to take you down to this section where you can fill in your personal information, and then you confirm. After you've confirmed this one, you have gone through this one, you will now confirm your email, and then you upload your ID card. Any plastic card is okay. As a Nigerian, you can use either your national ID card, is always still faster, or you can also use your voter's card, is still faster. So these are the three things you have to complete before you can have full access to the real trading account. So you just go ahead and click on these personal details, and then you come down here and click on get started. Okay, after clicking on this get started, it's going to take you right here. Just go ahead and insert your date of birth right here. So what you are gonna be doing is just type it. The way you see that double D means the date. So you type your date, and then you just put a dot, and then you type that M means month, your month of birth. So you insert your month of birth, and then that 4Y means the year you were born. So you insert the year you were born, and then you go ahead and click on continue, and then to take you right here. You can see here, this is how it is going to look like. Then go ahead and click on continue, and after clicking on continue, then you insert your currency. And then if you are not a citizen of Nigeria, don't click this. Okay, if you are not a citizen of the US, do not click this. If you are in Nigeria or any other country, just leave it the way it is, and then go ahead and click on continue. Okay, then you insert your email, and then a code will be sent to your email. Just minimize this page and go to your email, copy that code that was sent, and come back here and paste it right here. Okay, then after pasting it right there, just click on this continue button right here. Then afterwards, this is the email that's gonna be sent to you. All right, this is the email, and then you can see the code here. Just click this code right here, then go back to that place, go back to this particular place right here, and insert that 6-digit code right here, and then you are good to go. Then your proof of identity is gonna continue. It's gonna load up your proof of identity, where you can now snap your plastic card, any government issued ID card that you have. You are gonna snap it, and then ensure that while you are snapping it, you stay in a bright environment. Okay, you can stay in a place that is on a brighter environment, preferably on a daytime. All right, you have to do it on a daytime, because sometimes you can snap your front of ID card and also your back of ID card, and the platform will reject it. Why? Because the camera didn't capture the details of your government issued ID card very well. So that's why it's always advisable that you do this KYC on daytime, like afternoon time. All right. So after clicking on this continue, as soon as you click on continue, it is going to load up your camera where you can start the process. All right, then you can now see here now that the camera is just going to be showing right here. Okay, it is going to be showing right here. So it will there's a prompt that is going to show for you to grant it access, to grant the application access to your camera. Just go ahead and grant the application access to your camera. Okay, it's going to take just few seconds. After a few seconds, a message is going to be sent to your email that you have been verified. Your information is now fully going to be verified. And if you log into your if you log back into your IQ option, then go to your panel section. Just do as if you want to start depositing. You will see a verification button there that shows that you are now fully verified. So guys, that is how you complete your KYC. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.